Here goes my top 2 favorite comments. Make sure you comment so you can get featured. All right, let's get it. Today, I'm giving you all the tea about these Jelly Fantasy nails. They're Kiss. They're cheap. Yes, I couponed them. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe while we're here. Get that done and out the way. Thank you very much. I want you to see this as an opportunity to learn. Do I really feel like learning how to do my own nails so that I can go out? That's what I would say for these nails. These are good for going out, maybe for the weekend, but honey, they don't last very long. I'm going to show you my process of how I do them, and then I'm going to show you my review on how long they last. I like to soak my nails in this little avocado oil. I of course warm up some water and just soak them, just to soak them. It's just like a good little relief on my cuticles. I go through that, and then I did forget to like clean them with the little brush, but that's not a big deal. My nails aren't too dirty because I've been doing them a lot lately. So this is just my little maintenance for my in-between time. And I'm sorry if you hear like a fan in the background. I just needed to get this recorded for y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dry my nails off real lazily, and I'm going to use my Shea Moisture hand and body scrub. I use this in the shower too, for like my elbows, my stomach, like where I have my stretch marks, and then also on my feet, because you know, standing up a lot, they get real bad. And then for your hands, it makes them feel a lot softer. You literally can just use it like dry. Don't do it too overly wet, because obviously it's not going to stay on there too good. But then you just rinse it off. I go ahead and just speed through that part for y'all. Now, next, I'm going to go ahead and do all my nail care. I'm going to push my cuticles back. I'm going to nip any extra little dead skin on my cuticles and scrape all of that off. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip down any nails that might be a little bit too long, because with these ones, since they're longer, we don't want them to like be out on the sides too much, and you know, all of that, because they're, you know, that like ballerina coffin shape. So yeah, and I'll be right back. I make sure to file my nails down real good, and then I go ahead and use this nail hardener. Now, it's not necessary. It's just for me. It's like a good little step one because my nails get a little flimsy doing a lot to them more often. And then on top of that, it's like kind of a barrier. I would say it did help with making sure that my nails didn't look like they were like super scratched on when my nails started popping off, because it got a little bit real. And then once I lose like 2 nails, I get annoyed. Like, I was gluing them back on, but you know, you can only keep doing that but so much without getting annoyed. So once 2 fell off without me being able to glue them back on in time, I just started ripping them off, and that's not smart. Do not do that, but I do it anyway. And now I'm okay. Like, I think the nail hardener made a big difference. I did do one hand and then realized that I never sized myself for the nails, so this is just me trying to quickly make sure I get all the nails out before I do the other hand, and then can't do it, and then I would have to guesstimate, and that's not smart because when they don't fit, they look like they're definitely not your nails. I had a lot of people thinking that they were my nails, and that was cool, you know, because a lot of people at my job know I've been doing my own nails, but I'm like, no, I'm not gonna take the credit. These are press-ons. So now I'm going in with the glue that came in the package, and I'm gluing my actual fingernail first, and then I'm gluing the nail. When I go in and put the actual nail on, I'm literally like grooving it into my cuticle area. I'm not like putting it near there. I'm literally going to push it into my cuticle so it looks like it's feeding right out of my nail. And I do that with every single nail. And you know, it's a couple slip ups. If you do it crooked, just try and pull it off as quick as possible. Start over again, because that happens sometimes. But yeah, and if you see any nail poke out, feel free to file it off of like your own nail trying to poke out. I do end up filing my the press-ons down once I'm finished putting on this whole hand, because the rims of it look like they had like some type of indent on it, probably from like when they plucked them off when they were made in whatever machine they probably made them in. So I just do file them down to make sure that the shape is crisp and good. So I'm finishing up here and I'm doing my second hand. I filed that hand as well too after it's finished, just because like I said, they did have a lot of those little indents from, I'm guessing, how they were, you know, taken out to be put into the package. And then I go ahead and use my cuticle oil on all my cuticles so that they can look all shiny and pretty and moisturized, of course. And then that's just, you know, the finished product. They just look all pretty once the cuticle oil is on. I'm using Sally Hansen for literally everything I've done so far, minus the one gel polish I used before. So Sally Hansen cuticle oil, Sally Hansen nail hardener. If I was using polish, it would be Sally Hansen polish. I told y'all I coupon this stuff and I go with what works. So if I coupon it and it works good, I'ma just keep getting more and more of it. That's how you should do it. Make sure you watch my couponing video so you know how to get it done for a cheap price, honey. And this is completely free. You don't have to pay to get any of these coupons. As long as you shop at CVS, you get them. Here is the finished product. They look real good. They look like they're mine. And I keep it pushing. I'm like, okay, these look really nice. I love them. And now I'm going to show you the downward spiral that is like 3 days of me having them on. So let's see. Update. It's the next morning doing my daughter's hair and I've already lost a stone. Focus. Okay, but what else? Alright, y'all, so excuse my bathroom fan, but there you have it. Not pretty much 24 hours, not even 24 hours. I did these at like 11 o'clock at night last night. All I was doing was picking up stuff off the floor, like clothes, my towel, to come in the bathroom, take a shower, and I've already lost one. But I'm just gonna glue it back on and keep pushing. Then it just start going left. I'm losing nails left and right, and I'm over it. This is the gel. Well, it's actually brush on gel I use, and it kept the nails on. So the nails that I lost never dropped back off, but it just didn't come back the way I needed it to. They looked so pretty, but we use them for a weekend, baby. Do not keep it going. See y'all next time. Bye.